Did you die? Are you a ghost? What is this?
Yeah, I died.
What the frick? Why?
Come
back.
Happens every once in a while.
Come back.
Can you pull me out?
I'm getting called. What's happening?
Can you pull me out of hell?
Someone's calling me. I'm sorry. I'm right back. I got 1 sec. Who's calling me? Who is calling me? But whoever's calling me is cooked. Who is this?
Hi, Philip. It's me, Drumsy. Hi.
Drumsy, you mother fricker. You know, I was just talking to my friend Lumi and you interrupted me, right?
Oh, but you DM'd me and said I should call you on stream.
That's right. But you called me too late. And now I had to hang up on my friend just to be here.
Hold on, someone else is calling me back.
No, you don't go anywhere. You stay here right now. This is it.
Yeah, hi.
Drumsy?
Yes, hi. What's up?
You made that video, and you know what? I have to say something. You know what, Drumsy? I loved it because I think you're cool, okay? But here's the thing.
Thank
I
you.
think you're less cool right now. You know why? I don't think you're treating me as a kind of girl I'm meant to be. You treat me like I'm some sort of COVID baby to experiment on. Like I'm some sort of terminal patient. Where is my respect in 2025, Drumsy?
Check your PayPal.
What the frick? What am I gonna do with that? That's not fruit snacks. You're gonna get banned. You know what? I'm gonna leak the docs.
No, you wouldn't.
Yeah, I know what you did with Moxie. Yeah, I know what you did with Moxie. Come on, be honest, Drumsy.
Tell him. No,
You know what?
leak him.
Tell him. How about you tell me this, Drumsy? How come in every single video I'm in, you make me do a 9/11 reference?
Wait, I make you do a what?
A 911 reference?
Oh, that. Okay.
Yes.
Filian.
What?
That's messed up to say. That's an explosive statement.
You made me throw an Uno card into the Twin Towers, and there was a picture of an aeroplane on it.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
What are you?
What?
I'm gonna.
What?
I bet somebody's gonna clip this, and just like the Twin Towers, this clip's gonna blow up.
Stop! Hey! Drumsy.
What?
You know what I'm also gonna say?
What?
You have a nose. And you
wouldn't say that.
always get offended when people joke about it, but then you make jokes about your own nose.
I'm allowed to make jokes about it.
So what goes?
I'm the one with the no.
What the frick? You know what? I'm gonna turn you into Voldemort.
Filian.
Drumsy.
Filian,
Come here.
you're letting the video.
Come here.
You're letting. No, please. Are you?
I got your nose.
Right now? Stop.
Got your nose.
You are letting the beef from our videos bleed into real life.
Yeah.
Every time you call me, it's just to scream at me now.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. No, okay, you're right.
And I want you to tell me that you liked the video so that I know for real that we're still friends.
Listen, Drumsy. Sometimes I let the RP go through. I just want to say, I'm getting called.
Fuck.
Okay, bye. Lumi, I'm sorry, Lumi.
You left me in hell. It was crazy.
No, I'm sorry, Lumi. Listen,
and then I lost both my legs.
Okay, what?
And now I'm paraplegic.
Stephen Hawking's?
Yep.
Wait,
Lost
Joe
both my legs.
Swanson?
Yep.
What the frick?
Paraplegic.
Wait, I guess
Carry me now.
I guess I said trick or treat, and you chose trick. So how about I give you a treat? Lumi, what do you think? Come on, who doesn't want a treat? Okay, let me.
What is this treat in question?
How about a funny joke?
Okay, all right, hit me. Let's
Okay,
go.
I told my chat earlier today, okay, but chat don't split, okay? Here it is, okay? Do you like fentanyl? What?
I thought you were gonna give me fent for the treat. All right, yeah.
No,
let's say yes.
Yes to what?
Yeah, I like fentanyl.
Fentanyl these nuts in your mouth! Ah! The double trick back-to-back world champion! See? What?
So I don't get fent?
Wait, you want Fent?
I thought that was.
I'll call Amari. I can call Amari.
Can I give Mario a call?
You want me to actually call Amari or what?
Asking for some fent real quick.
Would Mari be mad if we called her?
welcome.
She's not gonna be awake. She has a sleep schedule of a sloth. There's no way. Wait, Lumi, your mic is quite. Could you make it go dunk?
Oh yeah. Okay, I am learning how to make. Okay, how's this?
How's that?
Good.
Well.
Good. Is that
Can you no.
About it?
No.
It's not better.
You're an ant. This
Is
is
this better?
Yeah, that's better. That's good. How did you do that? How did you do that?
This is the power of positive affirmations.
You're a magic person.
Whenever
Yes, thank you. I am. Yeah, I am.
So you're a grower.
Yeah, I'm a grower. I am. Oh my God.
I'm
Yeah.
a farmer.
When I was 15,
Yeah.
I was like
Yeah.
4'2", and then when I was 16,
Yeah.
I was taller than that. Yep.
How do I bring this to you? I don't think you're growing at age 16.
No, yeah, you'd grow at age.
No, you're still 4'2", dog.
Takes one to know one.
No, it's true.
What are you, 4'1"?
You stopped growing at 15.
You look like I could hold you in one hand and throw you in the trash.
Oh yeah, well you look like
Yeah.
you have blonde hair and your IQ is sub.
You
100.
look like a Neo robot.
A Neo robot?
Pilot.
I look like a Neo
Yeah.
pet. I'm effing collectible and fluffy. I'm a goddamn
You're
Labubu.
straight up Neo robot.
Neo
You're gonna
robot?
pilot my chores.
Pilot your chores?
Yeah, you're gonna do all my chores for me. It's gonna be
I
awesome.
don't. You want me to do your chores?
small
I'll
ass,
burn
like,
your house
little-
down. You understand? I'm gonna stick a fork in the electrical outlet.
I miss my payment. Shit! Don't burn my house down.
You missed your payment on your rent? Are you getting evicted?
On my Neo robot, dude.
What the
Have you not seen
frick?
the Neo robot?
I don't know what a Neo robot is.
Oh my! You're missing on pop culture.
Pop culture? What about Pop Tropica?
Yeah.
Classic. What is a Neo robot?
You don't know it?
No,
I
tell
gotta
me.
find this video, man. So it's this robot,
Send me a
right?
video.
It's like automatic. It does your chores for you.
Is this a scam?
But get this.
This is a scam,
It's
isn't it?
remote piloted by
What?
someone in a third world country.
No.
And it can watch through the cameras in its eyes to see you.
No, not the robot freak.
Yeah.
Bro, I saw this on a TikTok live stream. There were girls sitting in small chairs with skirts on, and you could purchase a small RC Hummer to drive around with a camera on top. So there were like 37 gooners buying Hummers trying to upskirt chicks for a live stream. This is the same thing!
Yeah.
How's your algorithm this weird? Asmongold did
Yeah,
it.
it's the same thing, man.
What do you mean? It's pretty normal, I would say.
The same
Most
thing.
of the
It is, bro.
I'm talking about the AI revolution over here, and you're like, but good.
There's no AI! They're just a third world person!
Yeah, exactly. It's a third world expert.
So what are they? So, okay, wait. So, Lumi, would you put AI on the same level as a human?
Yeah, no.
No.
Okay, AI doesn't even know
and
what
so you
socks
just
are.
said the AI revolution, and there's AI in that
well,
robot, which
so
is a
the
third world
point of it
person.
is- the
So a
point of it
third
is-
world person
Yeah,
is
yeah.
not a person?
He's a person, but the thing is, they're trying to collect data to pass on to their AI to learn for the future.
Okay. So what is
Soon
this?
we will have real robots.
So what does this robot do? AI equals actually
He
Indian.
does your dishes.
Aw, he does
true,
my
that's true.
dishes? Bro, if it's strong enough to pick up dishes, can it kill someone?
Yeah, for real. And he can pass you butter.
Bro, it can what?
He can pass you butter.
Can it cut the butter?
I don't know if I would give it a knife, but yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Wait, you have to give it the knife? Then why even have it? Shouldn't it be able to get the knife
I guess
itself?
you could tell it to go get the knife itself.
What the frig? Is that why
there's
your
a
boss
video
tells
on
you
it.
at Phase Connect? You're like, Sakana, what is my purpose? And he's like,
Sakana, what is my purpose?
and he's like, you serve butter.
To sell coffee.
Wait, true. I forgot. Chad, if you don't know, she's a part of Phase Connect, which is like a VTubing company. At first, her main product was VTubers. Nowadays, they just sell coffee.
Did you hear? Look, my boss messaged me one day and he was like, "Did you go on vacation?" And I was like, "No, I've been streaming normally, man." And he was like, "Oh, I thought you went on vacation because your coffee sales went down."
There's no way.
That's because our tariffs fucked up. What do you want from me?
Bro, the big
can't catch
business,
a break,
big
man.
decisions getting cocked by tariffs. That's
I
crazy.
literally can't sell coffee right now.
Wait.
I'm so poor.
So, Lumi, what the frick do you guys call your coffee?
Face coffee.
FaZe Coffee. Brother,
FaZe
that just
Coffee.
sounds like a FaZe Clan member.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. I think we catch
Like,
some
bro, if I
trends.
went on stream, I was like, yeah, man, I'm drinking FaZe Coffee. My child would be like, you got a boyfriend? Like, what does that even mean, dude?
Wait, I could actually see that. No, maybe not.
You know what I can see? I was someone uploaded a YouTube short. I think my editor uploaded a YouTube short today of me saying my boyfriend was Jesus, right? And I jumped off a building right after that. And so the commenters like, guys, I think Filian is Ace. I don't know what the frick Ace meant. I was like, Ace Ventura? Ace Pilot?
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, wait, what?
No. I'm continue.
Yeah, so what does ACE stand for if you're a knower?
Wait, for real?
Yes, if you're a knower, what does it stand for?
Oh, doesn't it mean asentient, like you have no brain?
Why are we here? Just so every day I can feel my arms and my legs and... No, it stands for asymmetrical. My feet don't work. No, it's... Listen, it means like aromantical. You don't want romance.
I thought it was asexual.
Yes! Extraterrestrial! Exactly. Supernatural. So yeah, that's it. And I was like, wow, what a very compelling theory. You know what I'm saying? But people are so interested in whether I have a boyfriend when the real question they should be asking is whether I even want a boyfriend.
Do you want a boyfriend or are you gay?
What? No, I'm not gay. No, I'm not gay. I'm busy. I'm busy. I'm busy.
It's okay to be gay too.
I'm busy.
It's okay to be gay if you wanna do it in the gay way. I think that's how the song goes.
You know what the truth is? I do the eye tracker challenge on stream sometimes where you're trying to look at sus stuff.
This stream today.
But the reality is, my eyes just wander around randomly and I'm not actually looking at anything. I feel nothing.
ADHD is too strong.
And all that happens is sometimes like a housefly on your computer screen, my eyes wander over the wrong section. It is true.
She can't even look at the boob.
Brother, you know, Lumi, the other day, there's a fly and it landed on top of my monitor. I was in a call and I stopped talking mid-sentence because the fly started, I'm not kidding, hitting the cha-cha slide. It spun in 3 circles.
I don't believe you.
I
heard that ADHD makes you like imagine things.
I never said I have ADHD. All I'm saying is I was watching a fly twerk and I got distracted mid-sentence. That's a very normal thing that happens. Dude, legitimately, like, I'm not here. I'll do a recreation, okay? You can't see my junk right now, but just you can hear me, okay? Here?
Okay.
Okay, listen. So I was talking, right? And there was a fly. And then the fly was just like, he was like... And then he was like...
Can I get a clip of this? Wait, can you fit?
And then he was like... Legitimately, it was so... Bro, like, if that was a guy spider, he would get all the girls.
Soup. The leprechauns have come.
What do you mean the leprechauns have come? What are you, a leprechaun?
Oh my god!
Why are you flaming me?
You look like a rat on Fent or something. Like, do you want to crash your buddy?
What is with Fent, brother? If you think about it, the Ninja Turtles is just Master Splinter on Fent.
That's true. Or he fed them things.
What did he feed them?
Mushrooms.
PEDs?
A lot of mushrooms, probably.
Wait, but I heard a theory that humans evolved from monkeys that were eating mushrooms.
I thought it was monkeys that swim.
Face reveal. Whoa! Wait, you're sitting down. Wait, what the frick?
Yeah!
Wait, why is this?
Up?
Why
You
is
like
this?
my look?
What the? What is this? Your
What?
background is so weird. What the frick?
What? It's green, dude!
Here, one sec. Donk. Wait, one sec. Let me
Why
cook.
don't make me black? What the fuck?
Oh my god.
The
Wait, there it is.
other way!
Wait, you're sitting down.
Let's go! Yeah, man, I'm sitting down.
What does
Hello.
brat? I'm gonna put you like right there. Is that okay? I hope you don't mind.
Yeah. That's good.
What does brat mean?
What? Bratchuha, it means bro in Russian.
Does it mean bratwurst like the deer thing?
No, it's bro.
Have you ever eaten a deer before?
No, I haven't. Have you?
Oh dear. Yeah, I have.
Whenever? Oh yeah, is it good?
Yeah, Bambi was not bad. I'm gonna be honest. What? I hit him in my car. I had no choice.
That's fucked up.
Wait, is Bambi a guy or a girl canonically?
I think Bambi's a boy.
What? He's a guy? Dude, no one knows.
He grows up and he gets literal horns and stuff. There's a second movie and he gets a girlfriend.
Brother, he gets literal horns?
Yeah, he gets a girlfriend even. He literally gets a girlfriend and then they're like, you know.
What if he's a girl that grows horns?
Like you?
Well, I mean, sometimes guys, they get chests, you know?
Moops?
Does
I feel
it
like
really
these are
matter they
separate
both
things,
taste
so
good?
I don't know.
It's pretty similar. It's pretty similar, I would say. Wait, so you're like in 3D, huh?
Yeah.
Can I punch you?
No, don't do this to me again.
Yeah, I
man.
want to
This
do
is
it
so
again. Yeah.
No,
Come on. Take your PayPal. Take your PayPal. Take your PayPal.
Okay, all right,
It's your turn.
good, go.
It's your turn.
All right,
Okay. You ready? You ready? 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 Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, I'm not gonna punch you. I want to drop kick you. Is that okay?
Okay, yeah.
Wait, really?
Yeah, let's do it.
I'm gonna drop
Okay,
kick
I'm
you.
ready.
Okay, you
I'm
ready?
ready.
Are you ready? Okay, okay.
Okay.
Here we go. I'm gonna one punch Lumi for content reasons. Lumi, are you ready for death?
No, yeah, I'm good. I'm ready.
You have
I'm
betrayed
ready.
yourself, Lumi. Do you speak Spanish?
Sí, hablo en español.
Impressive. Do you speak Japanese?
Yeah, hi, Nihongo ga hanashimasu.
Soka. Then do
Yes.
you speak pain? Whenever.
Oh, man.
Wait, how do you? Oh my God! Wait,
I fell.
Lumi, I'll hold on to you. Are you good?
No, man. Oh, fuck. Ow.
Lumi, no. Hold on. Don't let go,
I can't feel
Lumi.
my legs.
What?
I can't feel my legs.
Don't let go.
I can't feel my legs.
Lumi, there's so much out there I wanted to show you. So much more to see.
I
You
can't
die.
move my legs.
No, you can never realize, Lumi. You're in VR, Lumi. You're in VR, Lumi. You're in VR, Lumi.
Fuck.
It's okay. Listen,
I didn't know it was gonna end
Listen.
like this.
you don't need those
No,
legs. You don't need them. League of Legends doesn't require legs.
Fuck.
Out. Streaming does not require legs. Going on a date does not require legs, Lumi.
I'm good.
I wasn't done talking yet.
Oh, my bad. Sorry. So I'll go.
You've already used up your budget for all this animation.
Do the thing. Wow! Lumi, you're crying. Lumi.
Okay, wait. Rotate this way.
Oh, it's even worse.
Rotate this way. Rotate. Stop. You're good. You did this. This is not my fault.
You look like you're planking upside down.
You ever lie down on the ground before?
Wait, I'm Spider-Man.
Nice.
Check this out. You ready? Mary Jane, will you be my friend?
Can I get some of the spider serum too? I just have fucked
No.
up spine.
All right, Spider-Man over and out. Gotta save a coughing child.
Whenever, Puggy.
See you later.
Do you get up now?
You can get up now. It's fine.
Okay.
I will allow it. So wait, Lumi, what the frick was you up to today?
I went on a space adventure.
What?
And stole a lemon.
Katy Perry.
Yep. And then
You stole what?
a lemon. I went to Detroit.
Still
and
stealing
then I
lemons
took
in
a lemon.
2025?
Yes, man. Yes, it's my whole shtick. At this point, like I'm grandfathered in. I can't not do the lemon thing, even if I don't even like lemons, man. Like I don't even give a shit. I don't like lemons, but the thing is, like, it's just who I am now. I've got lemons on my head.
Yeah. Dude, I got ice on my wrist. I feel that.
Yeah. Okay, bitch. Okay.
Jeez.
Yeah.
What?
Whatever, man. Anyway,
really cold.
I took a lemon, and now I'm here. So it's
Wait, is that to avoid the doctor or to avoid your boss? A lemon a day
the
keeps a
doctor.
CEO away.
Yeah.
Okay. So wait, can you tell me what's the next product you guys are dropping that's not coffee?
Oh. I'm actually doing a thing on the 17th.
What is it?
It's a secret, man.
What? Why can't you share with the class?
No, it's a secret, and it actually sucks because I've gone on record and I've said that I hated this thing, but now I'm like a full-on hypocrite because, now I gotta go and promote this thing that I said that I hated. It's fucked up. Do you think hopefully nobody calls me a grifter, but at least we can know that, like, look, I didn't choose this.
Wait, Lumi, why would you say you hate something that your company makes? Don't you love Face Connect?
It's not my fault! I didn't choose this, man! I didn't choose to make this thing!
Oh, so you said you hate a general thing, and now your company's selling it?
Fuck!
You're so cooked. You're so cooked. You're so
I'm literally cooked. I'm gonna go on and be like, yeah, get this thing. It's really cool. Whoa, it's really cool.
Chat,
And
if
then
I ever
people
get
are gonna pull up clips of me saying like shitting on it.
Just
and
honestly,
it's gonna be
Lumi,
so
just
bad.
effing deal it. Just effing say how much you hate it the entire time. Just effing own it.
I fucking hate this thing. It's so bad. It's awful, man.
Instructions.
It's
I'm not
so
gonna lie. Like that's like me getting
Writing
sponsored by
1000
Mott's
page
fruit snacks.
Google
Like it would. Like I don't know what I would do legally speaking. Like I don't know. I haven't been talking to them. But,
Oh man, that would be so bad if I was sponsored. If you got sponsored by Mott's fruit snacks.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. Okay,
That'd be
wait.
so shit.
Ah!
The orange flavor.
The orange flavor's okay. Okay,
No,
whatever.
man, it's gross.
Listen, Lumi. I have a magical power. You want to see this? Check this out.
Okay, don't show me your panties though.
Okay.
Man.
Skadoody Spadoody, you are now in a Halloween movie. Ta-da!
Oh god.
Look at that. Pretty cool, huh?
I'm like the dumb blonde now. I'm like the dumb blonde that gets killed. Here, I'm gonna sit on the bed.
No, I would never
Am I
kill
the
you.
babysitter that dies?
What, you're sitting on a bench? Do you want to sit on a table?
Wait, can I be on the bed?
You want to be on the
Why do I sit
bed?
on a table? My ass is bony.
Okay, well then go on the bed then. Go for it. Yeah, why not?
Hey,
Yeah,
flatbread.
yeah, okay, I'm
There you
gonna
go.
be on the
Snacks
bed.
are
This is
overrated.
good. This is good.
No, they're not. Wait, you look really like whimsical and stuff. That's smart.
Yeah.
You look studious.
Huh?
You also
Oh,
look like
yes.
you are compressed
I
into
am
a
indeed.
funnel.
I am indeed studious.
You look like you're trying to become a mermaid from the lower half.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. I swim. You swim?
You swim?
You swim, Filian?
Do I swim? No.
Yeah. You don't
No, I
swim?
don't. No, I don't
Is
know
that
how to
because you're a
swim.
cat?
No, I just. Well, I mean, okay, kind of. I don't know. Why? Is there a problem if I can't swim?
Yeah, you should be able to swim, man. You know what they say about people who don't swim?
What?
They drown. You drown, Filian.
All I have to do is just run faster in the water, and I'm
No,
fast.
that's not how that works.
I'm
That's not
fast.
how that-
I
that's not
am.
how it works, man.
What the frick?
Do you even have flotation? You got to... Any of this?
Well, you know, I got stick-ons.
Yeah.
You know, one time I wore fake ones, cause my chat, you know, they sent it to me, and I was like, wow, this is free,
Like
actually.
those silicone,
Yes.
like, boobies that's
Yes.
used for cosplay?
Yes. And I'm not gonna lie, it felt natural. I think in my different lifetime, I was made to be that way.
Yeah?
In a different lifetime.
Yeah, like maybe 5 reincarnations ago. Imagine,
exactly.
Like, every time you get real, like isekai, your boobs get smaller. Karmic justice.
Well, yeah, at this point though, like I'm worried that my junk's gonna become a Minecraft cave, so I'm gonna stop dying. It seems a little scary, but yeah. Okay, wait, also, Lumi,
Yes.
question. Do you
Yes.
know Sheena from FaZe Connect?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sheena from-
What do you think
Wait,
about
no,
her?
who's that? I think she's great.
Okay.
You know, she's also Star Lady, and I'm a Star Lady. I don't know if you can tell.
Wait, you're like
Star.
Lil Nas X. You're Star Walking?
Yeah, Star
Oh, wait.
Walking.
Anakin Starwalker.
Yeah, that's not the word.
Holy
that's good.
frick.
Legally distinct, Anakin.
So what does Star Walking mean?
Melatonin.
I assumed it meant that he was high, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay. He's high?
Right?
The frick? Wait, so is Sheena, like, what do you think about her?
I think she's great.
Hey? Do you think, like, you know, like I saw a stream of her, she was cleaning a shotgun.
Yes, she has shotgun.
Okay? And there's no red
Yeah.
flags?
No, Faye's mental illness is not a red flag.
How
It's a
normalized
green
is
flag.
this? She cleaned her shotgun on stream.
Yeah, man.
Is she depressed?
Well,
She streams on FaZe Connect.
what
so-
is depression? She's a banana.
Be honest, is your company okay?
Yeah, man. No, she's good. She's good.
It's time to address the allegations. Lumi,
Okay.
is FaZe Connect an asylum for mentally ill women? Yes or no?
That's a really loaded question, and I do not appreciate that.
Yeah, well,
Leading-
listen, you're on my
objection
Mythbusters
leading.
channel.
Objection leading. I
Leading?
do not believe that this has anything to do with the allegations at hand.
What are the allegations at hand?
I don't know, but I'm not answering that question.
You know what? I'll make the allegations public. I think half of your streamers are criminals.
I have never done anything wrong in my entire.
That's why I said half. Also, you've embezzled.
That's not true.
Pippa has committed 3 counts of Walmart parking lot.
Okay, parking felonies are not. That's not felony.
She had a
That's
gun,
like
Lumi.
That's not even a
She had a
misdemeanor.
gun!
She was in a gun-allowing state. And it wasn't even concealed carry it was normal.
You know what?
And she sent a very nice note to the store beforehand saying that she had a gun and that nobody should panic.
Okay. So then why did you jaywalk?
You got me.
You mother fricker. Put him up.
Oh.
Put him up. Put him up.
Just cuff me.
Stop resisting. Sorry. Did you wait? Have you ever seen something called live police chases before on YouTube?
I haven't seen them, but I haven't watched them in a long time.
Are they fun?
Isn't...
I want to find one on YouTube one day. What?
You want to be in one?
Well, okay.
Make our own live chase.
Dude, I swear to God, last stream goes crazy. It would be the stream of the century. We get into a real life car chase.
We're in the actual thing, right?
Yes.
Like, I really want to be in the car chase. Are you a driver? Are you a passenger?
At one point, I had a driver's license.
You don't have a driver's license?
I never said that. I said at one point I did have one, which means I might still have one for all you know.
Did you lose it? Did you wash it or something? Where did it go?
I ate it.
You let your streamer live like this?
Look at her.
No,
there's nothing wrong.
Look at her. She's 4'3". She's legally a dwarf and she can't even drive. That's your streamer.
That's no.
How do you get groceries? Do you order your own groceries or are you a pure DoorDasher?
Do I order my own groceries or am I a pure DoorDasher? Okay, so how do I explain this to you, okay? I never go to the grocery store unless I need something very specific. The last time I went to a grocery store, I went and purchased 3 bananas and a Sprite. And the guy at the register looked at me in absolute confusion. The time before that, though, I went and bought like 50 pounds of Oreos.
Maybe you shouldn't be allowed to have the car.
Why?
Wait, can you park? Can you park?
Did that come with the license, Lumi?
I don't know, man, because you don't.
Okay, Lumi, I'm gonna tell you the truth, okay?
It's
Lumi,
so crazy, man.
Lumi.
Okay. Yeah.
I can't parallel park.
That's okay, Filian. We're women.
True.
Oh my God. You know, I drive to Pilates and you just see every woman, she just kind of like parks forwards.
Yeah.
If you can't parallel park, you go to the parking structure. Otherwise, it's just straight all the way in. And that's it. It's pretty tough, man.
I can't park normally either. I just hope there's a spot without a car next to it.
Like Filian need 50 pounds of Oreos.
Brother, I bought a lot of Oreos because I needed them, okay? Okay, you know what, Lumi? How often do you DoorDash? Be honest. How often do you drive? How often do you drive?
I DoorDash like twice a week. That's pretty good.
Pathetic.
That's pretty good.
Get the numbers up, rookie.
How many times do you DoorDash?
Enough that my accountant told me I gotta stop.
I got a message once from DoorDash support, and they were like, "Oh, sorry, this order didn't work out for you. We'd never want to upset one of our most loyal customers." And I was like, "Oh, that's okay. I see. I'm gonna cut down on this. This is pretty bad, actually."
Does DoorDash realize they were made for streamers?
I think so. In college, I'm not gonna lie, DoorDash like 5 days out of 7.
DoorDash 6
They
meals
what?
a
They
week.
5 days out of 7. Jesus Christ.
It's so bad. Well, cause like it was dark and cold.
Yeah,
and I was busy.
I mean, sure, it's dark and cold and busy, but like, you ever worn a jacket or brought a flashlight? Silent Hill? Okay.
I was streaming.
Guys, one of it should be illegal to DoorDash 6 days a week. 2 of it's fine. Let's put up to the challenge.
Wait,
Let's put
do
up to the
DoorDash
challenge.
6 days a week?
Maybe. Don't type in 1.
Criminal behavior.
Frick. Ooh,
Criminal behavior.
Ooh, this feels illegal. We might be cooked.
You're bad.
What?
You can't cook.
I only burned my stove off once.
Oh man, I'm not gonna
tough.
lie. I woke up this morning and there was a weird smell. It's because I left the stove on.
You left your stove on overnight?
Yeah, it was fine though.
You're just like me. How come you're alive and I'm in trouble?
It was just once.
Bro, I literally...
One time my entire life.
I have 9 lives. You have 1, and somehow you're
time.
still alive and I'm almost dead. How is that fair?
First time.
So, like, did it just
I've never
smell
done
like...
that
Did it just
Yeah, it
smell like
smelled
gas?
a little weird. But it was on super low. It was on the super low settings. So it wasn't that bad. It's
You know what it is?
It smelled a little funky.
It was an assassination attempt. Someone stuck into your house.
Because
They turned on your stove.
way.
Yes.
There's no way that I would have left it, man. Because I never, and I double check all the time. But also, I did call my mom yesterday while I was cooking, so that's maybe.
Whenever call you like.
You ever call your mom while you're cooking, and then your mom just yaps, and then you're like,
You gotta cook first.
yeah.
So yeah. But like, so okay. So you were calling your mom. You
Yep.
turn on the stove. You left the stove on. Therefore, you were drinking and driving, or texting and driving, except for cooking.
Not the same. It's not even.
Should we
that's
ban
not the
chat?
same. That's not the same.
Should we ban people from cooking and calling? Think about that. It's honestly a reasonable suggestion, I feel like, at this point. Please don't do that. Yes, it's worse. Lumi, what if you were talking to your mom on the phone and then suddenly you realized the carrot you were cutting was bleeding? Think about that. That's a horrible situation to be in.
I think we should let people make their own mistakes.
That's a whole finger, Lumi!
Yeah, we'll attach it in the hospital. Totally fine.
Yeah, is reattaching your fingers and stuff a real thing or not?
I think you can
What
do it
about
if it's really
leaving mail
fast.
on
Like
the
if you
stove?
chop it off and then you go back to it really fast, you can just do it. Like, you know.
Wait, what? Wait, so you think magicians do that? No. Hey guys, want to see me remove my finger?
You cook food, but it's just gonna be
And then-
I mean, yeah, totally, man. You should try a magic show one day.
I would try that. Bro, if I was a magician, I would cut off one of my fingers, keep it in a jar, and then I'll pretend to put it on and take it off all the time. That would be so crazy. Oh, wait, no.
Yeah,
You don't even need the finger. You can just cut off your finger, throw it away, and then buy a plastic finger. And then you can make your finger disappear, and everyone would be so baffled. Dude, have you ever seen, like, The Turn, The Pledge, The Prestige? You know that show? You know?
Yeah. Wasn't that a really serious movie? Did you
Yeah.
actually sit through the whole thing?
No.
I'm shocked. I'm actually shocked.
I'm gonna spoil it right now for chat. Chat, the secret was
you why you
he didn't
watched
have a
that movie.
pee-pee. And he, yeah, it's true. It's true. So anyway, it was a good movie, but...
That's not the movie.
Sorry, I saw the one on Orange YouTube, I think. Anyway.
There's no way you watch The Prestige.
What do
You're
you mean?
crazy,
So you think I'm not enough of an
I
intellectual?
dare you.
What?
I dare you to watch 20 minutes of Prestige. 20 minutes, man.
You think I'm not intellectual enough to watch a movie about magic tricks? Mother fricker, I had magicians at my
If you
birthday.
cut a finger off, you would not be
I was born in the magicians.
20
Well-
minutes of The Prestige.
No, wait, right now? Am I allowed to watch it on Twitch or am I gonna get in
No,
trouble?
I don't think so. I don't
Okay,
think
yeah,
so.
frick
There's
you.
no way. There's
First
no
you would eat the
way.
finger out.
You know what? Okay, but you're making fun of me, but
Second,
also
necrosis is a thing.
Asia. You know what I'm saying?
Ah!
I watched that. I watched that.
Yes, thank God.
Thank
See, chat?
Yeah.
Filian appreciates me and my TV show takes.
Wait, did you tell them about it?
I told my old chat yesterday, and I was like, can you please watch it for me because I need more people to talk about it. And they were like, maybe.
Okay.
We don't watch Slap.
Wait, chat.
You.
One of you guys know Physical 100? Two of you don't. Does anyone know? It's like a show on Netflix. It's about Korean people that snap each other's necks.
Yeah,
oh my God.
as
You
in-
guys are missing out. Okay.
I know.
So I'm gonna explain the show plot, okay?
Oh my God.
Chat. Who here likes watching an anime when they do a fighting tournament? You know, like Naruto, Dragon Ball Z, like any of those animes. You know what I'm saying, Junk? Like Todoroki MHA, okay? They did that, but in real life. With 100 jacked men. It was basically, we found out what Baki's plot actually was, okay? And so they would do stuff like trying to freaking bench press the most, or sometimes they had to wrestle each other. It was actually a really effing good show. They're flaming me. They're flaming me. They hate it. They don't even like the show. They
I
like
don't
the show.
understand why they hate it so
What
much,
the
man.
frick?
Like I've never you don't understand what it feels like to watch two men like smash into each other and wrestle a ball away. Oh my God.
You kind of don't like Tenma.
Well, I like the national pride aspect. I think it's cool.
Okay. Wait, okay, so yeah, guys.
You ever watch hockey though? You ever watch hockey and then the hockey brawl breaks out and then the whole time in the hockey brawl you're like, yeah, fucking punch the guy. That's what it feels like to watch Physical 100.
True. Chat, type 1 if the only reason you know about NASCAR is because of the crashes. Be honest, I'll go first. 1. You understand what I'm saying, chat? Okay, look, that's a lot of ones. Okay, guys.
Wait, they crash?
Yeah, you can get the NASCAR aspect of it, but watching guys do it with themselves. Think about that. It's football minus the rules. It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
It is football minus the rules, yeah.
Okay.
See, this is why I was like, I need other people to watch, because I'm dying here.
Bro, the chat doesn't want to watch.
It's so big, you just don't get it, man.
I'm not even sponsored. All right, bet.
It's not even gay, it's completely straight.
It's kind of gay.
It's not that gay.
It's kind of gay.
Well,
It's
actually, you saw the one episode where the one wrestler was on top of the other guy, and they were just not. They're just hugging.
You saw the episode where the guy walked in high heels?
Yeah, he's a drag queen, I think.
Okay. Yeah, you saw. Yeah.
Okay, disregard that guy, but the other people are mostly straight.
I think the guys from Thailand are all gay.
Yeah, there was one from Thailand that I wasn't sure was even.
They're pretty zesty.
Yeah, they're flavorful.
Yeah, they're pretty exciting. God damn. Bro, the chat doesn't even know what we're talking about at this point.
They don't understand. It's
No.
so big,
No, I
man.
don't understand.
You ever wish you could watch two countries with 200 years of rivalry duke it out in the sand and like fucking kill each other? And
Yeah!
each other and
Yeah!
Come on!
Yeah!
Dude, it's so sick, man.
That's pretty good. Okay, Lumi, do you want to do some Halloween activities with me?
Yes, I'm
Okay,
here
bet.
for the Halloween activities.
Okay, guys.
Do I get candy?
Can these nuts fit in your mouth?
No.